How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can turn off dark mode on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, now navigate to top right corner and tap on three line icon. That's gonna take you to settings and activity. Here, scroll down and navigate to the section that is your app and media. And from there, you have to look for an option that is accessibility and translation. Once you find it out, tap on it. Now under here, tap on dark mode. Now to turn off, you have to select the second option that is off, so tap on it. And with that, the dark mode on Instagram now is turned off. So that's how you can turn off dark mode on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.